Oh, there's a fish. Yeah, buddy. There's a fish. But
yeah.
I just caught another brownie right here. Alright, what's up everybody? Hope you can hear me right now. If you can't, that is very unfortunate. Today, just screwing around with my new trout setup. Yeah, this is what it looks like right here. I don't know how good you can see that. TFO trout panfish rod and Daiwa Regal 2500. Temperature is about 40 degrees, and water temp probably cooler than that. I don't know. Throwing around this little jerkbait thing today. It's like this rainbow trout color, if you can see that. Just gonna see what bites. Hopefully get some trout. Like I said, this is a new setup. I literally just got it like the other day, and I also just realized I forgot my forceps. I'll have to run back and get those, but I'm already down here, so I'm just gonna take a few casts, see if anything bites. Alright, I think something's hidden it right there, because unless it's a rock, it might just be a rock. Either this thing's getting bumped many times, or I just keep getting hit on snags. I don't know. I don't know, I guess I'll just keep throwing this around. Doesn't look like it swims very well either. I don't know. What do I know? Alright, just switched up to this spinner right here. This like heavy tungsten spinner. I'll leave a link to it in the description, so you can get like a whole set of them for like 20 bucks. Pretty nice. I'm gonna just run up and grab my forceps real quick. Alright, we're gonna head up towards the dam right now. Temperature outside 42, went up a couple degrees. And it's actually not that bad. Early November. We already had our first snowfall here in Michigan too, like last week. There are some people over there. Oh. Right in that slow water over there. There's gotta be something just hanging out. And I don't see why not. Alright, I'm kinda concerned about what's happening right now. My spinner isn't spinning. The fish are not biting. However, that's probably a result of the spinner not spinning. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Now it's spinning. Finally, you're doing something. Oh, we're on. We are not on. We are on a rock. I think we're going to try and make our way over to that dam right there. Haven't seen any fish jump up yet though, so I don't know. Please, I do not want. There it goes. Sweet. Alright, we're gonna head over to that section of the dam that I was pointing at earlier. Looks like everybody's leaving. Maybe today just isn't the day. I do got another spot I can drive to on this river, so I might try that, but I'm gonna keep fishing this for a little bit. We're gonna give it a few more casts across the dam this time, but across this whole stream here, and just see if anything picks it up. Alright, I think it's time we switch to locations. I'm going to drive to a different spot and see if anything happens there. Spot number 2. We're going to go upstream. Oh crap, I did not see that. There was a hole there. I think fishing in like November or just fall in general is like the most dangerous because you got all these leaves everywhere. Can't see where the hell you're going. Alright, we made it. No! Oh. Well, that's fine. It's gonna get abused. It's just one of the things about trout fishing. Yeah, I switched gear too. I now got a size 1 MEPS on it. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Alright, as I was saying, I switched gears too. I now got a size 1 MEPS on here. And yeah, I just walked into a hole. Oh, it's almost like spot number 2 is trying to kill me. Alright, yeah. But I think what I was using at the dam, I got a couple theories of why I wasn't catching fish. Number 1, I suck at fishing, which is probably the obvious. Or number 2, I think my larger spinner might have been too intimidating. Or maybe the fish just weren't into it. But everyone else is leaving that spot, so maybe there just weren't fish there at all. So usually you'll see like steelhead jumping up the dam, and I didn't see anything. So yeah, I don't know. But hopefully the smaller spinner will catch something. It's always my go-to when I just can't catch fish. I don't know how long that battery's gonna last. If it dies while I'm filming, that would suck. But I know the SD card I got in it right now has like 3 hours on it or something. I cleared the whole thing. Now I can film like up to 3 hours. So yeah, that's cool. Oh, there's a fish. Yeah, buddy. Oh, come here. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, don't hook me. Don't hook me. Please stay on. There we go, guys. Our first fish, and it only gets deeper from here. We're gonna back up. Look at that. Hope you guys can see that. What a beautiful fish. That's why I love fishing here in Michigan. It's okay. It's okay. And he's gonna flop around a bit. It's fine. This is probably why a net is important, but it's all good. Starting to get a little worried there. Alright. One last look at him. Hope you get a good view on that. Let's get him back. That was awesome. I really hope that got on video, because that was freaking awesome. Alright, I didn't have my camera filming, but I just caught another brownie right here. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Gonna get him back in the water real quick and get back to fishing. I thought it'd take longer than that to catch another fish, but I guess not. It's like really deep right here too, so yeah, I don't know. The Meps is packing heat today. See if we can't get another one. Another thing too, like right along these fast streams here where like the water slows down, that's where a lot of fish usually hide, like year round. Like it works. If you cast right up along these like fast rapids here, you'll usually get yourself a fish. Even on the other side too. That's where I got the other one, right over there on that side. I wasn't even expecting it. Okay, I think we've spent enough time here. It's gonna keep moving, and I do not know. Okay, I can see bottom right over here. Looks fine. However, this log is a little slippery. Just gonna meander my way down here. All right, back in it. Oh, hey now. What is this? Oh yeah, you see that? That's called a line twist, and it sucks. Alright. It's kind of like that slow, like almost not moving pool right over there. I'm gonna see if I can't cast into that. Maybe it'll be a fish. Keep on moving without dying. I think we had a bite there. Maybe not. Rocks are very slippery. There's a fish. Oh yeah. Come here. He ain't a bad one. There's another good brown. Not huge, not as big as the last guy. He's a brown nonetheless. There we go. Another nice fish right there. Let's get him back in the water. There he goes. Off to swim another day. There's ducks now, right where I caught that fish. I wonder if there's more over there. Oh, that was another fish right there. I think we found the honey hole. This is a pretty good stretch. Well, I think we fished this as good as we could. 3 fish out of that whole stretch. That is not bad at all. Better than the dam. I thought the dam was going to produce me a couple fish, but I guess not. Keep moving. Oh yeah, right here. Nice little pool right here. See if there's anything in there. Not sure how deep this pool is. Please, yep. I was about to say, please tell me it stays like this. And it does. I've caught a couple trout out of here before, but didn't look like this is. There were any here today. I don't have high hopes catching fish this way because I'm going downstream now instead of up. But I might be able to cast. Or I also might be able to snag my spinner. That's an option too. Yeah. Just gonna circle back. Oh crap. You gotta be careful wading these rivers, man. Well, I gotta be careful, but... Oh, there's a fish. Oh, he's a baby. I could... Oh, there you go. You got off. I don't know if you can see that, but baby trout, I presume. I couldn't even feel him for a second, because this rod doesn't have the most sensitivity. It's a light action. Not my ultralight, but... I don't know. I do not want to wade this deep, fast water. Yeah. And then I'm just going to cross right there. That'll get me where I want to go. Should. Oh yeah, a lot shallower right here. A lot nicer to walk in. Except for this. This looks like it's going to suck. Oh. My eyes deceived me. It was not as deep as I presumed right there. Yeah, here we go. Anybody living in here? Alright, yeah, that's a bad idea. It was slippery. If it was dry, I'd probably walk across it, but I'm not gonna do that. So we're gonna walk this trail and skip that whole section of the river. Get through here. That looks really good right over there. Right there. Kinda meander into the water here. Nice and gentle. There's gotta be something over there. Oh god. That was a steep drop off. I think I gotta start adding like a near-death counter on this video. That was like right up to my waist. Oh god. I'll have to come back here with some salmon, steelhead gear one day and like drift some of these holes, because that hole and this hole, not be surprised there was some big fish hiding out in here. Nope. Come on, stay in. There we go. Yeah. Let's go up this way. Well, I think that's gonna do it. My camera's almost dead. Doesn't seem to be too many good spots left as I circle back around here, so I think I'm gonna cut the camera loose here end the video. If you guys enjoyed, let me know in the comments. Let me know how I can improve the quality of these videos. Like, should I get a chest mount? Do you guys like the head mount? Microphone quality, video quality, all that stuff. Just let me know how I can improve, because I definitely want to make these videos better. 100% best of my ability. Caught 3 nice fish today, almost 4. I mean, it was a baby, but take what I can get, right? But yeah, I think that's gonna do it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, peace.